Let's take this one apart. What I expect to find is a clockwork motor in there that you wind up by pulling the string, and then there'll be some cam on there that makes the tail flip up and down. Three screws, ordinary Phillips sized ones. Right, here we go. It is supposed to go in water because that's a buoyancy aid, just a bit of foam. And then, yes, wind up clockwork motor, and on this side we've got a cam. I'll just lever that off. That goes round and that makes the tail go up and down. Nice and simple. Well, a bit too fast though. Let's hold it still. Yeah, there we go. Well, I'll put it back together and we'll try it in the water. Floats anyway. Yeah, it works. How about upside down? No, it does want to float that way up, doesn't it? Backstroke. Well, it works. Not terribly exciting, but we've had a look at the mechanics. Wind up or clockwork motor with a cam on the side that flaps the tail. Fine. For 49p.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.